Just now, Eden Gardens. He's golden, or as you know, he's gone for four. He's golden, or as you know, he's gone for four. Stunning gun. I thought I saw Oswaldine just walk off, but that was a stunning shot. To put it quite frankly, it's unbelievable stuff. That's up for four more. Can you match this? Just locked the ball from mid-wicket, also a no ball, he took his chance. That's four in a row, very close, they're going to bowl next. This, to put it quite frankly.
What hit! It was a helicopter shot for six. Magnificent. Again, this gives the fans something to cheer about. Look at that. The wish of the bat.
Against Kenya in the World Cup. This is first against England here. Now he's decided to cut loose. Simple improvisation. Last ball of the innings. Looking to work it away on the onside, but this is a very good performance by India. Losing 3 early wickets, they bounce back to reach.
What a shot! It's MS Dhoni! No, it's not! It's Rashid Khan!
In the slot, look at that. The pose, imposing himself on the bowler from ball one.
With the helicopter shot. It is the MS Dhoni. Look at...
What a shot! What was that? How did he get it there? How did he hit that full toss? What is that thing? That's very well played indeed. It's very difficult judging stuff about.
That 4 also brings up the 200 with lovely stroke from Abdur Razak, intentionally playing it in the air against the spin. A few risks, but...
All a wrist net. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand, and look at how he finishes, and it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL, and he's cleared it quite easily.